So you got to hand it to Clearview, or basically you got to hand it to Mike. He is constantly innovating. There you go, Mike.
All right, mate.
So he comes to me with the drop slide. We're looking at the drop slide and then he goes, oh, Jace, I've got this little table here, and he clips it on, and next thing you know, it's like, hey, that's gold. And then he goes, oh, I got this other thing. This is a cable saving device. The trouble is these runners here can cut the cable to your fridge. That's why Clearview have come up with one of these. And this is the cable saver. Here we go. Look at that. Brilliant. And now he comes up with the power boards. Well, there you go. The new power boards from Clearview, fitted to my 200. They're a pretty cool bit of kit. Now, here's the beauty of them. There's all that space now under your truck where you're not sort of, it's almost like it gives you a bit more ground clearance because you don't have the side steps hanging down. But when you do need the side steps, and I'll tell you why you need them. So let's say, for instance, I want the side step down. There we go. I stand on the side step, get what I want off the top of my truck, put them back up. Too easy. And look at this. Let's say you're driving through the bush and you're bogged in the mud up to your sills, and you're going, well, if I open the door, the step's going to go down and jam in the mud. Well, watch. No, it doesn't. Go straight back up. So it's perfect. Everything's there so that in an off-road situation, you can still use the side steps and get full function out of them.
The Clearview power boards, and they do just that. You crack the door handle and they power down, and you hop in the car, you close the door, and they power themselves back up again.
Perfect.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, it's very good. That's the innovation that Clearview comes up with all the time. And if you think about it, all their products, it just makes life easier.